Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to manage UI states in Jetpack Compose using StateFlow and Silk classes. So I will handle different states like ideal, loading, success and error. So let's get started. When building any application, we often need to update the UI depending on what's the state. For example, showing a loader while fetching data, showing results when successful, or an error. So if something goes wrong, so instead of using random boolean and null checks, what we can do is like we can use sealed classes for better readability and maintainability. Okay. So let's see the code. So this is my sale class. So where we have this UI states like ideal, loading, success, and error. Okay, and let's go to the view model. So in the view model, I have created a mutable state flow with an initial state of ideal. Okay. So when I call this load user, it updates the state to loading and it waits for 2 seconds. So let's go to this repository. So here we have used this delay for 2 seconds. And so here it will load the UI state as a loading, and then it will wait for 2 seconds to simulate an API call, and then either returns the success or the error. Okay, so let's see the UI. So in the UI, we collect the state flow using collect as state. So here I have used UI state and collect as state. So here I'm collecting this UI state. So based on the current state, we can show like if it is ideal. So if it is ideal, so no text, no data yet. If it is loading, we can show the circular progress indicator and fetch user profile. That text should be there. And if it is success, so it will load the data like I have used a card, and here what is the username, email and status. It will load it, and if there is any error in case, so it will show the error message. So in this way we can handle the states. So now let's run this application. So you can see the device here. So as of now, no data yet because the state is ideal. If I click on fetch user profile, the state would be loading, and then once it is success, we can see the result. So that's all. So that if you like this video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Android development tutorials. Thank you.